try to find something in your house to sit on that gives you a 90-degree dip. Now from this position, we are going to push our feet out as wide as we can until you feel a stretch in your groin. You can use your arms to help with a little bit of leverage. Okay, stopwatch has began. We're going to focus on a 3-minute hold. Okay, 4 seconds in on breathing. Exhale. Now the goal is I'm pulling my belly button in, I'm focused on my breathing, I'm allowing my own weight and legs to pull apart as I progressively allow my body to free fall. I start with my arms and my legs just as a safety measure, but once you feel good, if your arms could touch the ground, great. If not, keep them up here and focus on that forward bend, getting a good stretch in your groin area. Breathing in through the nose. Exhale nice and slow. For those that are able to get deeper, let your body fully hang as long as your hands can get down to the ground. And with each breath, I'm focusing on 2 things. Falling forward, pulling the belly button in, and continuing on making sure my hips are opened. I can even wiggle my feet to get them in a little bit deeper. And we're going to hang out here. Focus on relaxing and breathing. We're halfway there, guys. Final minute. Continue on relaxing through your breathing. Seconds to go. Seconds left. Little pro tip, I'm using my arms as leverage to continue keeping my knees pushed as far apart as they could go. Getting a good stretch of the inner groin, abductors. Breathing in, breathing out, last 10 seconds. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. As always, use your arms to put on your legs and pull yourself back up. Again, coming out of a passive stretch, you're going to be a little bit in a compromised position. Very nice. Now we're going to go into a 1-minute single leg on each side. We'll start with the left side. Pull your leg into your chair and pushing down. Now some of you might not be able to get the full pushing down. Okay, and that's perfectly okay. If you're stuck here, continue breathing, holding the ankle and pressing down at the same time. Okay, those that could go all the way down, awesome. And we're gonna do the same thing, sit tall and lean forward. And we're gonna hang out here for a minute, guys. 1 full minute. We're already at the 30-second mark. Again, find your level, focus on your breathing. This should feel a little bit more in the outer glute, a little bit of the lower back, and you want to get a good stretch of the ankle too. Notice how my hand is putting pressure on the rotation of my ankle. In 4, 3, 2, 1, rise up nice and slow. And we're gonna switch legs. This leg's gonna come up. Again, if you're stuck here, grab the ankle, apply pressure, and that's all you need. And we're gonna hang out here while we're breathing for a full minute. If you are able to go all the way flat, great. Keep it there, keep the ankle stretched, and lean in. And we're already halfway there. Big breath in, exhale, slow. Final 10 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As always, use your arms to help push yourself back up, unwinding the back, relax your legs, get a nice big arch. And great job.